Hello everyone, Almin here again with another video tutorial on how to render with Lumion. I just want to quickly run you through some basic stuff with Lumion, which is very simple to use and it gives a great product. So after you open the program, Lumion automatically gives you scene to select for your renders, so you can select among all of them, or what I will do for the purpose of this exercise is I'll just use one of the preset examples and I'll just quickly show you how to insert certain objects, trees, cars and everything else, and also how to change materials and how to quickly render your image. So as you can see, this is like preset example with Farnsworth House from Miss Wonderrow. Now for navigation through the Lumion, you're using your mouse, and you can move left or right, and you can also use the letters WADS as well as X for forward, backward, left and right, and Q for up and E for down. Now I'll just quickly show you here how to, for example, change a material. So double click on materials, and when you click on the material, you double click on this image here and it will bring you into the material database. So for example, if we want to choose some timber here, you just head on to outdoor materials, wood, and then you select just from any of them, and after you select material that you like, you click OK. Another thing that you can do here, for example, if you want to add some more trees here, you can just jump onto the objects. You go to nature and you select the tree that you prefer and just place it in there. You can also change the scale of the tree. You can move it all the way around. It automatically snaps onto the material, so there is no, but also you can set up a height limit. By default, Lumion is connecting everything like to the ground, to the assigned material. You can rotate everything. You can rotate the tree, and to unselect, just click on deselect all and it's gonna be there. Now if you go through those palettes here, you'll see that there are many cars, buses, sport cars that you can use. I'll just use this one as an example. So with the objects like cars, also you can rotate and scale and everything else, which is great. And after you finish, you just deselect all. So what else I want to show you here is for example, if you want to change the properties of the materials, you click on the material. You can increase glossiness, you can play with the reflections, also relief. What relief does is actually, if you have some kind of grooves into the material, it will emphasize those elements. Also the scale, you can make the material bigger or smaller. One cool thing here that I want to quickly show you is just, I'll click OK for now, but I just want to show you what you can do here with those for example, the vertical elements. Now if you click and if you select any metal, for example, and if you come here to foliage and you increase the spread, it will automatically apply the leaves to those columns. And not just that, you can change the leaf size, you can change the leaf type, and also spread pattern. So there are many functions that you can many parameters that you can actually change with Lumion. So those were the basics on the materials, and sun settings also, sun settings for your scene. Now if you want the sun to if you want your sky at the background to have more clouds or less clouds, maybe brighter sun or a little bit darker, the sun height, and as well as the direction from which the sun is coming. So I'll quickly run you through the renders now. So to render the scene, you click on photo here, and there are already preset photos in here which I already set it up, but what I will do is I'll just create a new one. For example, if we wanna capture this view, let's say this view here, you can click on store camera, and it will store this view for your later reference. So if you want to go back, for example, you want to explore more, and if you want to go back, you just double click in here, just click in here, and it will bring you to the same position. There are many styles that you can use for your renders. I will just show you a realistic one for now. So also with the rendering, you can play with all of the parameters, and it will depending on the outcome you want. So I'll just quickly set up, I'll just change it a little bit, hyperlight, skylight, and another interesting one that I found is in cameras, and it's 2-point perspective, and it gives actually a bit more realistic feeling. Hey, the difference, it always snaps everything to 2-point perspective. You can change the focal length here, and it will bring the photo towards you, or I will make it far from you. And to render, you just have to press render photos, and then you choose the size that you want, and you press print, and then you save this. Let's save it onto the desktop for now. I'll say someone sample photo, and I'll press save, and it will start rendering. So as you can see, it's pretty fast. It will take maybe just 10 to 20 seconds to render everything, and after it's finished, your photo will be high res and will be ready for publishing. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope this will help you.